CX Packing Machine. Automatic linear perfume filling, pump crimping and collar pressing production line. Designed for the efficient production of bottled perfumes, fragrances, body mists, and other alcohol-based liquid products. This fully automatic production line integrates bottle feeding, vacuum liquid level filling, pump crimping, collar pressing, and product discharge into one continuous process. The filling system adopts advanced vacuum level filling technology, ensuring consistent liquid levels in every bottle regardless of slight bottle volume variations. Available with 4, 6, or 8 filling nozzles to meet different production capacity requirements. High-precision filling valves provide excellent filling accuracy while minimizing product waste. For higher speed configurations equipped with 6 or 8 filling nozzles, the single conveyor automatically splits into dual lanes after filling. This innovative dual-lane design allows 2 pump crimping stations to operate simultaneously, significantly increasing overall production efficiency. Each perfume pump is automatically positioned and securely crimped to ensure reliable sealing performance and a premium product appearance. After crimping, the dual conveyor lanes automatically merge into a single conveyor for the next process. The bottles are then transferred to the automatic collar pressing station. The collar pressing system ensures precise positioning and uniform pressing force, providing consistent assembly quality for every bottle. The entire production line is controlled by a PLC system with an intuitive touchscreen interface for easy operation and parameter adjustment. CX Packing Machine, your professional packaging machinery manufacturer.